Selamat pagi, nama saya Lu. Hi everyone, here is PassByValue. Today I'm going to teach lesson 14, Google Calendar. I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar to arrange your schedule. It is easy to understand that the function of Google Calendar is to arrange your schedule. So next, we have to know where is Google Calendar. How to find Google Calendar? We first have to open a new tab of Chrome, and on the upper right corner, we can see there is an icon of dots over there, and we click it, and we see the icon of Google Calendar, then we click it. We therefore can get into the website of Google Calendar. So let me show you how to do it. We first open a new tab of Google Chrome, and we click the dot on the upper right corner, and we click the Google Calendar, and we can get into the website. So this is the interface of Google Calendar. On the upper left corner, we can see that there is a Create button. Click it to add a new arrangement, and on its right, there are two direction buttons. We click it to change the date, and on the upper right corner, we click to change the format of the date. As on the screen, there are different formats for us to choose, and let me show you in a video. We click the direction button on the top, and we can see the change of the date. Then we click the button on the upper right corner, and we can see there are different formats of date for us to choose. So next is how to add a new arrangement. We can either click the Create button on the upper left corner, or we can just simply click and drag on the time we want. So if we click the Create button, or we click and drag on the schedule, we can see on the top is to add a title, and below is to add the time of the event, and is to add the location of the event, and the button is to add a description. Once we are finished, we click the Save button. So let me show you how to do it in the video. We first click the Create button on the upper left corner. Then we can see that there are different blanks for us to choose, with the title, the time, location, and the description. Once we are finished, we just click the Save button. And we also can click and drag directly on the schedule. It will get the same result just like we did. And last, if you want to delete your arrangement, just click on your arrangement and click the icon with a trash can. Therefore, the arrangement will be deleted. And today's homework is to arrange your own schedule. And this is the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.